This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to reset your Ledger Nano X. This process completely erases all data, making your device like new. You will need your 24-word recovery phrase to restore your accounts later. Without it, your crypto assets will be permanently inaccessible. Ensure you have this phrase written down and secured before proceeding with the reset. To initiate the reset, intentionally enter an incorrect PIN 3 times on your Ledger Nano X. After the third incorrect attempt, the device will display a warning message confirming data will be cleared. Carefully read this message, then confirm your decision to proceed with the reset. This action is irreversible once confirmed, so be absolutely certain. After confirming the reset, your Ledger Nano X will display options like Restore from Recovery Phrase or Set up as New Device. To complete the reset and start fresh, select Set up as New Device. Your Ledger Nano X is now completely wiped and ready for a new setup, just like it was when you first unboxed it. Once your device is reset, you have two main options. You can either restore your existing accounts using your 24-word recovery phrase, or you can set up a completely new device with a new PIN and recovery phrase. Remember, your recovery phrase is the only key to your crypto assets, so always keep it safe and private.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.